Welcome to Martin Online Maths class. Let's quickly look at the question on the board. We say simplify 3 bracket 5 raised to power n plus 1 plus 5 raised to power n divided by 5 raised to power n minus 2 minus 5 raised to power n minus 1. Let's move. Solution. We are given 3 bracket 5 by n plus 1 plus 5 raised to power n over 5 raised to power n minus 2 minus 5 raised to power n minus 1. Before we can solve this problem, let's quickly review these laws of indices, because this law will play a very crucial role in solving this question. The first law says that a raised to power n plus n is equals to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. What is going on? So that a raised to power m minus n is equals to a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. What the third one says that a raised minus n equals to 1 over a raised to power n. So with this idea now, I need to split this, and split this. Splitting, I will have 3 bracket 5 raised to power n. Remember, plus is times 5 raised to power 1 plus 5 raised to power n. Over here we have 5 raised to power n divided by 5 raised to power 2, the second law, minus 5 raised to power n divided by 5 raised to power 1. So we have 3 bracket 5 raised to power n times 5 plus 5 raised to power n all over 5 raised to power n divide over 5 raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power n all over 5. Nothing changes. They are still the same thing. Okay. Then with this now I can factorize what is in common here. I can factorize what is in common. You can see that 5 raised to power n is common here and 5 raised to power n is common here. So mean that we have this as 5 raised to power n bracket 3 5 raised to power n block bracket 3 times 5 plus, if I remove 5 raised to power n here, what remains here is 1 all over. Here 5 raised to power n is common both sides. I have 5 raised to power n bracket 1 over 5 square will give us 25 minus 1 over 5. At this junction, this is terminated. It's out. 3 times 5 will give us 15 plus 1 all over. LCM of 25 and 5 will give us 25. 25 by 25 give us 1. 1 times 1 is 1 minus 5 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times will give us 5. Here is equals to 16 divided by 1 minus 5 will give us minus 4 all over 25. And this is equals to 16 times, reciprocate this, we have 25 over minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 16 will give us minus 4. Minus 4 times 25 will give us minus 100. Thank you so much. If you find the video interesting, you can subscribe, comment, and share my videos. Thank you.